Alright YouTube, I'm going to show you guys how to change out your locks pretty quickly. I'm going to do it all in one take. It shouldn't take too long. So first I'm going to unscrew the old stuff. We don't need these, so these are pretty much garbage. Take out the handles and the deadbolt. Take out the plunger. Looks like that plunger was upside down. Maybe not. No, it was right. Gotta do this quickly. New plungers. Make sure it says up, facing up, otherwise your deadbolt will be backwards. These are for the plungers, these screws. Bam, not so tight. Not too tight. Change out this old striker. Somebody put the wrong screws in the striker. Somebody put the jam extension way too close also. Put in the new extension, or the new plunger, the new strikers, the bottom ones. Short screws for the bottom striker. I'm gonna try to do this all quickly. Should be like that. Longer screws for the deadbolt. I don't have my other drill with me, so I'm not going to be able to pre-drill. Strikers are good. Take the deadbolt, line it up this way. Twisted this back. You got to open it to be able to screw it in, to get your screws in. And if it's not lined up, you're going to be fighting it for an hour. So you don't want to take an hour to put in the lock. If the front ain't lined up, the screws won't go into where they need to go, and you're going to be fighting it again. As you can see, I got a little twist. Pretty much should be it though. Bam, not too tight. Bam, deadbolt's done. Handle. I'm gonna take this handle, twist a little bit to get it in there. Then this has to be lined up. If you see that part, has to go where this metal part is. That part with that little notch. It's a little notch right there. That goes that way, towards this, and this little middle piece in here, which is the lock, faces up and down. So try to keep it like that, put it like this. This one, the way you need to know it goes that way with it. Bam, twist that where it needs to be. If it's not lined up, you're going to be fighting the handle for an hour. Put these screws in. And I usually use a screwdriver, but I'm going to use the drill. You could tighten it up with a screwdriver after, but everything's good. Well, one more thing. Change the lock. If you need to change the key, if you don't need to change the key, then leave it. But get your key that came with the lock, turn it to the right once. Pop this little thing in there, it comes with the lock. Push it, pull that out, put in your new key, whatever key you want. It has to fit in there, so pretty much whatever key you want. Twist it, bam, that's your key now. Do it one more time, turn it to the right once. Push that in, throw that key away because I don't need that key no more. And that's it.